Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the full detailed look at the 2026 Isuzu Trooper, the long-anticipated return of a nameplate that once symbolized off-road capability and rugged dependability. The new Trooper brings back the essence of traditional SUV design with a boxy upright stance, genuine 4x4 performance, and a focus on durability, but now with the enhancements of modern technology and comfort. Its reintroduction marks a major move by Isuzu to re-enter the mainstream SUV market with a product that speaks directly to both adventure seekers and practical families. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Trooper makes its presence known. The front fascia is upright and imposing, featuring a wide blacked-out grille, full LED lighting, and integrated daytime running lights that form a sharp C pattern. The bumper is sculpted with prominent air intakes and functional skid plates, clearly built to take hits on rugged terrain. Along the side, the squared-off proportions continue with flared wheel arches, muscular fender lines, and bold character creases that give the SUV a planted, robust look. High ground clearance, roof rails, and optional side steps reinforce its off-road readiness. At the rear, the styling stays traditional with vertically stacked taillights, a flat tailgate, and a rear-mounted spare tire on select trims, all hinting at its utility-first design philosophy. Inside, the 2026 Trooper balances tough materials with modern conveniences. The dashboard is simple yet functional, dominated by a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen that integrates navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Buttons and knobs remain for essential climate and drive mode controls, a welcome touch for those who prefer tactile inputs, especially when wearing gloves or navigating rough terrain. The digital instrument cluster complements the modern cabin design, while optional leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and ambient lighting add a degree of refinement to higher trims. Cabin space is generous, with seating for 5 standard and an optional third row available depending on the market. Rear seats offer excellent legroom and headroom, and cargo capacity with the second and third rows folded is expansive, making it a highly practical option for long road trips or hauling gear. Under the hood, Isuzu is offering multiple powertrain options depending on the region. The most talked about is a 3.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine, producing around 215 horsepower and 380 lb-ft of torque, known for its torque-heavy characteristics and reliability in demanding conditions. A gasoline-powered 3.5-liter V6 is also expected, aimed at buyers in regions less favorable to diesel, offering a slightly higher horsepower output, but with less low-end grunt. Both engines are paired with a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission and a standard part-time 4WD system featuring a low-range transfer case. Advanced off-road systems like hill descent control, electronic locking differentials, and terrain select modes are available on higher trims, ensuring the Trooper can handle everything from rocky paths to deep mud with ease. The chassis setup is traditional yet effective, utilizing a ladder frame construction shared with Isuzu's commercial-grade pickups. This setup provides durability and strength, especially when towing or tackling uneven ground. Suspension is handled by an independent front setup and a solid rear axle, tuned for a balance between off-road articulation and on-road comfort. Despite its tough underpinnings, the Trooper offers a composed ride on highways and handles confidently in urban environments thanks to modern electronic stability systems and refined suspension tuning. On the safety front, Isuzu has brought the Trooper up to date with a full suite of active and passive safety features. Standard equipment includes automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims also add a surround view camera system, parking sensors, and traffic sign recognition. Structural enhancements and multiple airbags contribute to a strong safety performance, with the vehicle targeting top ratings in global crash tests. The 2026 Isuzu Trooper is available in several trims to suit a wide range of buyers. Entry-level versions focus on utility and affordability, featuring cloth upholstery and fewer electronic features, but maintaining the full 4WD system. Mid-level trims offer a balance of comfort and capability, with added infotainment, heated seats, and better materials. Top-tier trims aim at premium SUV buyers with full leather interiors panoramic sunroofs, premium sound systems, and enhanced off-road capabilities. Pricing is expected to start around $38,000 for the base model, and could reach up to $55,000 for fully loaded versions, positioning it competitively against vehicles like the Toyota 4Runner, Ford Everest, and Jeep Wrangler. In a market filled with soft crossovers and pavement-oriented SUVs, the return of the Isuzu Trooper is a refreshing nod to traditional utility combined with modern sophistication. It's not trying to be flashy or overly luxurious. Instead, it delivers authentic capability, rugged styling, and long-distance comfort in a well-balanced package. Whether you're looking for a reliable overlanding platform or just a spacious, dependable SUV that's ready for anything, the 2026 Isuzu Trooper makes a compelling case for itself. Let us know what you think in the comments, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more detailed reviews of the latest automotive releases.